Prayers are an important tradition during Diwali, the festival of lights. But apart from prayers, this Diwali is somewhat less traditional. Lights made in China have flooded the market in India, and Indian manufacturers can't compete.
इसमें brightness ज़्यादा होता है.
These Chinese ones are brighter and they are cheaper. In India, they will only make 1 or 2 pieces in a day. In China, production is much higher.
A local business association says at least a third of consumers are buying Chinese-made decorations for Diwali, but some local manufacturers have adapted by embracing Chinese imports.
They switched over to the trading of the Chinese products here, and they feel that that is much more profitable than rather manufacturing.
Although it's the country's biggest festival, good prices or better quality are more important than a Made in India label. And it's not just decorations that are losing some of their local flavor this Diwali. Sweets made of butter and milk that are also given out during this time are also being replaced by foreign flavors. Cupcakes, cookies, and chocolates made from European and American recipes have become more popular each year, thanks to a growing middle class with a taste for international treats.
Thank you.
But people still maintain some old traditions. Markets like this one selling handmade decorations are still busy, because for some people, if it's not Indian, it's not Diwali.
If you are getting something made right in front of you, right here in India, why do you want to buy something that is from China? It's good enough.
Diwali celebrates the victory of good over evil. While for some, foreign-made products may take away from tradition, for others, it's still the festival of lights, no matter how it's lit or how it sounds. Faiz, Jamil, Al Jazeera, New Delhi.